Say hi. Hi. Little Bahama Beach Mama today. Hello. Say hi. Yeah, happy girl. She says, since I can't be at the beach, I'm going to wear my palm trees today. Say hi. Yeah. How's everybody doing? Say we miss you. We missed you. You wave. Say hi. Hi. You say, hi Dee Dee. Hi Pops. Hi Jay. Hi Ty. Hi Daddy. Say hey. Yeah. How you doing? Huh? Did you ask them if they went to the boardwalk? Did y'all go to the boardwalk? Huh? Did you go down to the beach? Did y'all get to play in the sand last night? I bet they're at the pool now. My little fishies swimming in the pool. Say we missed you. We'll check back in later.